Hey guys, I'm so excited. We just finished our story reading with Mr. Stephen Hodges, author of The Magic Poof.
The book was so good.
So, without further ado, I will go ahead and play our live video where he'll be reading The Magic Poof. Let's get started.
This is my book, The Magic Poof. Thank you guys so much for being interested and finding me online and trying really hard to get it out in the world. So here we go. So Ange Marie, always different. There was her name pronounced Ange Marie, and then there was the poof. So the poof sprang up as a great ball of curly hair that sat on top of Ange Marie's head. When she walked, it bounced. When she skipped, it bounded. And when she danced, it boogied. Even after a haircut, the poof would still be there. The poof was alive, of course, and he had a wild personality. "What you eating down there?" the poof would ask Ange Marie over breakfast. "What's that thing?" he'd quiz, pointing to different objects around the room. "Look, I'm a balloon," he'd exclaim while floating to the ceiling with Ange Marie on top. "When are we going to play?" he'd whine as Ange Marie brushed her teeth. "Not now," she said. "I'm busy, you see." "Doing what?" the poof asked, forming into a giant question mark. "I'm trying to figure out what to wear for picture day." Picture day? Picture day? I love picture day. What should I be for picture day? "I know, I want to be Fluffy," he said, blowing up into a giant poofy globe. "No, wait, I want to be not so fluffy," he thought, shrinking down into a tiny little ball. "Fluffy! Not so fluffy. Fluffy!" The poof was acting nutty. He just didn't know what he wanted to be for picture day. "But you can't be one or the other," said Ange Marie. "You have to look like my normal hair." "Oh, but I don't like keeping our secret," the poof pouted. "I want to be me." "I know, but most people don't know about magic poofs, and if they found out, they might not understand. Please." The poof could never resist Ange Marie's pleas. "Oh, okay, your smile always gets me." He formed into Ange Marie's normal hair, and off they went. However, the poof had a very short attention span. "Look, a bird. I love birds. I could be a bird for picture day." "Ooh, a cloud. I love clouds. I could be a cloud for picture day." "Hey, a flower. I love flowers. I could be a flower for picture day." "Nope, just my hair, please," replied Ange Marie. The pair arrived at school and entered the room where the photographer was setting up his camera. "I'll just be a minute," he said, and he turned away. The poof tapped Ange Marie on her shoulder and whispered in her ear. "Can't I be something for picture day?" he begged. "Fluffy? Not so fluffy? I still want to be me. Please." "Oh, okay," Ange Marie grinned. She couldn't resist the poof's please either. "Just don't give away our secret." The poof bobbed happily in agreement. The photographer turned and said, "Ready? Okay, smile." With a click and a flash, the picture was taken, and a barely visible smile appeared in the poof's curls. Even the photographer thought he saw Ange Marie's hair grinning, but that was impossible. After school ended, the twosome happily headed home. "This is one of my favorite pictures of us," Ange Marie laughed. The poof had to agree. He bounced up and down and beamed the biggest smile she had ever seen her hair make. They both agreed it was truly wonderful to be attached to your best friend. And that's it. It's book one.
Did you guys love it?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Thanks. I tried to get the poof's voice right. So that's the first book, so pretty straightforward. And then I've got the second one, which we're going to read on Saturday. Yeah, I don't know if anybody has any questions, but I was really happy that you guys liked it.
Yeah, we loved it. Okay, what do you girls want to ask?
2 of my teeth came out.
Your teeth came out. Wow. Did you get money from the tooth fairy yet?
Mommy, look. Yes.
You did?
I'm like, you better answer yes.
I hope it was some good money.
The book was so good. You're welcome.
I appreciate that. That works.
But thank you very much. I enjoyed the story.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Hopefully one day Marty will feel that way about her hair. That's the goal, right?
Absolutely. I like the fat cat.
What is the second book about? Or the second book called?
So the second book is actually called A New Friend, and it's about her meeting a new friend, essentially. So the poof's supposed to be a secret, so it's the next adventure after that. And then there's a third book that's already done as well. I just haven't gotten it illustrated. But I'm actually in the process of working on turning it into an animated series.
Wow.
So I'm waiting for all of that to settle before I figure out what I'm going to do with the books, essentially. Yeah.
Can you tell us more about the animated series? Like when does that expect to be out? Where?
Well, I would love for it to be out tomorrow. That would be great. I've been working on it for a while, dealing a lot with the usual, dealing with some Hollywood stuff. But I think essentially just recently, actually, I have teamed up with an organization called Saving Our Daughters. Saving Our Daughters is a social cause organization that is dedicated to working with little girls of color in inner city schools for anti-bullying campaigns. And I am in some talks with them and just today, I had a little actress by the name of Michael Michelle Harris, who's on the TV show Mixed-ish. She just read my book online today. And so from a TV series standpoint, I'm really hoping that no later but then the end of summer that I'll actually have a deal in place. And then we would actually go into pre-production. So pre-production would probably last about, probably as soon as you would see it would be next year. But I'm anxious to get started because there's a lot of, because everybody's at home right now, they're all looking for new TV shows. So I think I'm in the right place.
That is so exciting. We love Mixed-ish, and she's our favorite character, Santa Monica.
She's fantastic. Yeah, absolutely. And I did not actually ask her to do that. Like I said, this morning, my phone, I'm on the West Coast and my phone just started pinging and I was actually half asleep because during this time I have a tendency to go to bed later and wake up later as opposed to getting up early like a good worker bee. And so my phone started pinging and I'm like, I don't know what's going on. And so people kept asking me questions. I'm like, what's going on? I don't know. So anyway, so I was pretty excited about that this morning. That was a good thing to wake up to. Yeah. And it's possible that actress might play the voice of Ange Marie, my main character, but we'll see. Not sure yet.
That is so exciting. Congrats.
Yeah. And that's how actually all happened right around the same time. So when Beth has actually found me literally right before all of this stuff has happened. So Beth, it's like it just was meant to happen. Yeah.
The universe
absolutely.
is aligning for you.
Yeah, absolutely. Hope so. So it's been it's been a labor of love, but it's been fun. I've done a lot of really, wonderful book tours and that type of thing, and talked to a lot of students, and been to a lot of hair shows where I'm definitely the only male in the room, which is always fun. And so that's African American hair shows and that type of thing, and people seem to really enjoy it. So it's been a really fun ride. It's been an adventure.
That is so amazing. I love your story.
Thank you. I appreciate
The books are just so good.
Thanks,
Don't
guys.
want to mention anything? What did we turn your hair into for St. Patrick's Day?
A 4-leaf clover.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Something that the Magic Poof would do.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's great.
That was fun, right? You had a clover too? So you can do all kinds of things with your hair.
Oh, I was going to say, has everybody been doing a lot of videos, chatting and stuff with friends and family because of what's currently going on?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so great to be able to see people.
I think it's been hardest of all on parents because of normally kids get to go to school and now it's all on you guys, and I feel bad for the teachers as well because they wish they were in the classroom. I've got a lot of really good friends who are teachers who wish they were currently in the classroom right now. So I know it's been difficult.
Yeah. Yeah. It's hard. Definitely a hard time for everybody. I mean, I just feel like this is just going to change everybody so much.
It is.
This whole thing, everybody's mindset, the way things work, the way the world rotates. It's just going to be so different.
I think it's going to be a pretty mess. I don't think anything is going to be exactly the same after this.
Yeah, normal is a different normal.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So that I guess I better get to work on the animated series so you guys have something to watch while you're at home, huh?
Yeah, we're excited. We can't wait.
I'll start making phone calls right after this.
Yeah. Hey, Stephen, do you have an email list or anything we should tag on to make sure we're alerted for things that might
You know what? Actually, if you go to themagicpoof.com, which is my website, I don't have like a sign up list, but my email is on that. And please feel free to email me. And that's a good point. I should create like an email list, and I'm happy to do that. So if you go on there, there's a page, and it just says contact the poof, and the poof is me. And I'm happy to reach out and let everybody know what's going on. It'll also be on the website. And then there's something else is coming up with the Saving Our Daughters. Of all things, this all happened all at the same time. Something else is coming up with the Saving Our Daughters campaign as of tomorrow. So there'll actually be an announcement about that tomorrow too. So and that literally happened as of 2 days ago. So again, Beth, you found me at the right time.
Crazy.
Everything happened all at the same time. I guess I actually have to get some work done now. And so
Well, we appreciate it,
absolutely.
Remember all of us little ones when you're big and out there. And
Well, you guys are my fan base, so I wouldn't forget about you guys. Yeah,
Awesome.
absolutely. Very cool. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you having me.
Thank
then if
you
you guys-
so much. What does everybody say? Let's all do a big thank you to Mr. Stephen on 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank
And we'll
you.
see you same time Saturday.
Same time Saturday.
Too.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, look at her hair. I love the bow. That's look at your bow. That's so
I
awesome.
love
Poof.
it.
Her magic
Yeah.
poof.
Her magic.
The perfect poof. Everybody has a perfect
I
poof.
need to work on mine. If I don't get a haircut for too much longer, I might get my own poof. We'll find out.
Yeah. I feel you because mine is usually shorter than this in the back.
Yeah, I feel like it's going to become a helmet pretty soon over here. So.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so
All
much.
right. All right, we're leaving. All right, thank you guys. Talk to
Bye.
you soon. Have a good
Thank
night.
you
Be
again.
safe, everyone.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, this is where it's at. I love these books. They're so great. Mr. Stephen Hodges himself is just amazing. If you haven't subscribed to our channel on YouTube, what are you waiting for? That's where we put out all of this information, all of our new videos, and we let you know what's upcoming for Girls with the Curls in our community. So make sure you subscribe, click on that notification bell. Thank you guys. Love you. Stay safe. Be good. And see you soon. Bye-bye.